That sounds like a good idea, guys. Look who it is. Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to ELD ALD time. As you can see, I'm joined today by Mrs. Fox. Hello. And Mr. Fox. Hello. And they are both here to help us out because I was wondering, what should we do for ELD ALD time? And Mr. and Mrs. Fox came up with a great idea, didn't you guys? Yes, they came up with a wonderful idea. We're going to do a little bit more writing practice, huh? You guys like to do writing practice? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. It's very much fun. Yes, it is very much fun. All right, boys and girls, so you're going to need a few items today. So you're going to need something, definitely, to write with, right? Probably a pencil. I have a pen so you can see it. And we're going to need something to write on. Now, I have this big piece of paper. It doesn't look exactly like the one that you have, but I want you guys to look into your school in a box and find your paper that looks something like this, okay? And we're going to use that one there, all right? All right, Mr. and Mrs. Fox, how about you guys go grab something to write with and a paper, and you guys join us doing this, okay? Will do, Mr. T. We'll see you later. And there they go. Mr. and Mrs. Fox, everybody came up with a great idea. So this is my paper here, and then yours looks a little bit different, no big deal. We're going to use the same paper for a few days, so when you're done with this, make sure you hang on to it. Don't get rid of it. Keep it, because we're going to add to it, okay? We're going to add some things to it. So first thing we're going to do on our top line here. Top line is right here. I want us to practice just writing our name a few times. Just some name writing practice, okay? And I want you to use up as much of the line as you can, okay? So watch, I'm going to write my name. It's pretty short, right? Mr. T, there's not a whole lot of letters to it, so I'm going to be able to write it a couple times on here. And I'm going to make sure that I'm putting a good space in between it also. So starting off, Mr. T looks like this, Mr. T. And then I put a period there. Mr. T, right? I have a lot more space to use though, don't I? So I could put it at least one other time. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write it again. Taking my time. I'm not in a hurry, right? We don't have to finish this super fast. Taking our time. Making sure that you're staying in between these two lines, okay? Try to get, when you write your capital letters, like the first letter of your name is going to be a capital. And you're going to start at the top and go all the way to this bottom line, okay? Use that whole space. All of our other letters that are lowercase are going to be smaller like this, and they're going to reach, the middle line. Now, I've come to a point on my line where if I try to start writing it again, I'm not going to finish my name, right? So I'm not going to write it any more times. I've written it as much as I can on my line. Now, you might be able to write your name a few more times on that line, and that's great. I want you to go ahead and do that. Next up, we have a line here, right? And we're going to write about something that we all enjoy, okay? And we're going to use the word enjoy. So this is my paper. As you can see, it has my name, Mr. T. I'm going to go to the next line. I'm going to start a brand new line and go all the way over to the left side, as far over to the left as I can. And I'm going to start off my sentence with I. And the beginning of a sentence is always capitalized. So remember, when we capitalize, we start at the top, go down to the bottom. So just like this, I. And I'm going to write enjoy, but I'm going to make sure I put my space there. That's a J. Now watch what a J does. A J is a bit of a daredevil. This little area right here, in between our lines, I like to call a river. And this, what we write on, is a bridge. And so all of our letters are slowly crossing the bridge and they're staying safe, but every once in a while you get a daredevil, like the J, that likes to hang its tail off. So there are some daredevils that will hang off. The rest of them are not daredevils and they stay right on that bridge. Okay? So this is N-J-O-O. That's an O. Enjoy, yeah. Ooh, guess what? That's another daredevil. That is a Y. Let's get that daredevil over here. 2 daredevils in 1 word. Look at that. I enjoy. And now this, boys and girls, this is up to you to fill in. What do you enjoy? Now, I'll fill this one in, and we'll talk about it the next time that we do some writing, and you're going to see what I enjoy, but I want you to come up with your own. So the next part is up to you. Please fill this in. So you're going to write your name as many times as you can, drop down a line, and then you're going to start off with I enjoy, and then write something that you enjoy. What is it? Is it video games? Is it sports? Is it reading? Is it math? Is it jump roping? Is it hopscotch? What is it? What do you enjoy? Movies? Candy? Food? Puppets? Mrs. Duck? Who knows? Go ahead and surprise me with that. I look forward to seeing what you come up with, all right? Thank you, boys and girls. We'll see you later. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Duck, also. Thank you, guys. All right. Bye-bye.